a six-figure bicycling flipping business. Number one, find motivated sellers off of Facebook, Craigslist, and other sites like that. Number two, give these sellers at a deep discounted offer, normally 70 to 80% off. Number three, you got to have a follow-up system because mostly everyone's going to say no to your deep discounted offer. Number four, when the seller reaches out to you, when they become motivated, go out there and buy the bike. Number five, take amazing pictures of the bike, wash it very good. I don't do any repairs to the bike and put it up for sale. Number six, sell the bike at a discount. What I mean by that is if the bike is worth 500, sell it for 400. Don't sell it for 500, sell it at a discount because you bought a bike at a deep discount and you're going to sell it for a discount so it sells very quickly. Number seven, make profits and rinse and repeat.